How familiar are you with the term high blood pressure or hypertension and its potential health implications? High blood pressure, simply put, is a condition where the force of the blood against your artery walls is consistently too high. It's like a tire that's overinflated, putting undue pressure on the rest of the vehicle. The implications of this health condition can be severe if left unchecked. High blood pressure can lead to heart disease, the leading cause of death globally. It can also result in stroke, which can cause life-altering disabilities. And let's not forget kidney disease, another potential consequence of uncontrolled hypertension. These health risks underscore the critical importance of managing our blood pressure levels. Maintaining a healthy blood pressure isn't just about avoiding the negatives, it's about promoting our overall health and wellness. It's about ensuring our bodies function optimally, like a well-oiled machine. Now that we know the dangers of high blood pressure, let's explore how certain foods can help us keep it under control. Did you know that your diet can significantly influence your blood pressure? Indeed, certain foods have properties that can help lower high blood pressure. Let's start with berries. These sweet and tart fruits are packed with flavonoids, natural compounds that prevent hypertension and lower blood pressure. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, they're all good for your heart. Next on the list are bananas. Rich in potassium, bananas aid in balancing out the effects of salt in your system, easing the tension in your blood vessel walls, which brings down your blood pressure. Then we have beetroots. These vibrant roots are high in nitric oxide, which can help widen your blood vessels and lower your blood pressure. Plus, they make a fantastic addition to your salads or smoothies. Don't frown yet, chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate is indeed on this list. This bittersweet treat is high in flavonoids, much like berries. Just remember to choose chocolate that contains more than 70% cocoa and enjoy it in moderation. Moving on to oats. A bowl of oatmeal is not just a hearty breakfast, but also a great way to start your day if you're watching your blood pressure. Oats are full of fiber and lower your levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, or bad cholesterol, reducing your blood pressure. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are loaded with heart-healthy nutrients like potassium and magnesium. These help your kidneys get rid of more sodium, thus lowering your blood pressure. Garlic is not just for warding off vampires, but also high blood pressure. It increases the body's production of nitric oxide, helping your blood vessels to relax and dilate. Olives, and particularly olive oil, contain polyphenols and monounsaturated fats. These compounds can lower your blood pressure by improving your cholesterol levels. Finally, let's not forget flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and reduce serum cholesterol, aiding in blood pressure control. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be a powerful tool in managing and preventing high blood pressure. So, to recap, managing high blood pressure is crucial for maintaining our overall health. We explored a variety of foods that can aid in this endeavor, from the vibrant beetroot, rich in nitrates, to the humble garlic, known for its allicin content. We delved into the world of berries, brimming with flavonoids, and the potassium-packed bananas. We also noted the importance of dark chocolate, loaded with flavanols, and the omega-3 powerhouse that is fatty fish. But remember, these foods are not magical cures. They are part of a broader lifestyle approach to managing blood pressure. Regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, and reducing stress are all critical components of this strategy. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help, but it's essential to see the bigger picture. Remember, a heart-healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Consult your healthcare provider for comprehensive advice tailored to your needs, because in the end, your health is your wealth.